So I wanted to know what a user does when he or she lands on a web page from a Facebook campaign. So I was running a Facebook ad, and I know that Google Analytics um, has a strong feature called User Explorer, which can give me a lot of information about an individual user on a session level. So I wanted to test it. So here's how I tested. Um, I made sure the the URL or the landing page has uh, tracking parameters. So as you see from the Ads Manager section, Facebook's Ads Manager section, I added the campaign source and campaign medium tracking parameter. You also can use campaign name or campaign content, and campaign content tracking parameters. So I made sure that, and the campaign was running. And I waited until 24 hours as analytics updates its data every 24 hours. So I go to the analytics account, and the user explorer is under the audience menu. So as you see that, here's the user explorer. So I choose the specific date range, and and then I use the segment. The segment section is another powerful feature of Google Analytics. You can use it. It has lots of options. You can use it uh, to filter your data. So I used a new segment, uh, and then the new segment has a lot of other filters like demographics, technology. You can choose those options. It has conditions, sequences. I guess a lot of you guys already know how to use it. So I use the traffic sources section, and I choose banner ad, and I preview the data. The preview it works against the data of that specific date range, and it shows that okay, 30 users were selected. Like these 30 users were coming from the Facebook ad. So I saved it. You can give it a name as you like, but as I was just testing, so I didn't do anything. And then, if you click on the client ID and to set details about user explorer, it's going to take a long time. So what I'm going to do that Google Analytics help section or the support section, it has details about user explorer. You can do a lot of stuff. So I'm going to add the link below this video in the description section. So just browse it and find out details. You really can do a lot of things, and you will see what you can do. You can target the data. You can add. You can upsell. You can do a lot of things. Just go and read details. So and then I found just to test. I see that okay, these are the 30 users. And for instance, here's one specific user. He was using that. I know that it was a landing page I was using, and it shows details like 11:59 a.m. You see time wise what that specific user, what he or she was viewing. And here is the source and medium. It shows Facebook banner ad. I can get a lot of information from this section, from this section. Let's see. Now let's go to the user export report and let's try another user. For instance, this user. Um, that user, he or she was 11. The journey begins at 11:20, 8:21 p.m. And it shows the URLs, the specific URLs, and the parameters as well. And as you see that, okay, it verified that the ad is the user is coming from the Facebook ad. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share. So use Google Analytics User Explorer. It is a strong feature, and we can do a lot using the tool. We, as a digital marketer, we should take full advantage of Google Analytics User Explorer feature. Thank you.